Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video where we are going to trade on TFeed using a dxFeed connection. So the first thing you have here when you buy a TFeed account is this interface with your TFeed connection created. From there, you will click on Add Connection, and you will select either your prop firm account issued from dxFeed. So it can be a Phoenix account, but it can also be my funded futures, or whatever prop firm supports dxFeed. If the prop firm is not listed there, you will click on dxFeed prop, which is a kind of a generical vendor endpoint. From this example, I'll just use a Phoenix account and enter my credentials over there. I'll select a custom name that can be empty or with whatever name you want. It's not important. And the connection checkbox is always on demo. Okay, real would be for real live accounts. Up, save, nope, and from there you can see I have a new status to be uploaded and a new connection, more importantly. So I just click on Save Users at the bottom left of the screen and wait a bit. And once all the connections are connected, that's a good sign. I'll click on Accounts List, and I'll add my first account with this Add Account button. So it waits a little bit up, and it doesn't work. Okay, so from there you can see I have a practice and just a normal account. You select whatever the dxFeed account you want. Let's say I will select this one because it suits me good. And as a follower, I will select the TFeed account. So please note that I cannot select the TFeed account as a leader for the simple reason that TFeed needs a leader account to work. So obviously itself cannot be a leader. For the rest, I'll just leave everything to the default settings. It's fine that way. I'll click on Save, and I'll just click on Save at the bottom left once again. So a quick indicator to check if the account is saved or not is to go to these to this little green check. If it's green, like it is right now, all changes are saved. If it's like yellow or if it's not in that state, basically, it means that you have to click on this button. Simple enough. So right now, everything is configured properly, and we can switch to the Positions tab, where we'll be able to see our running positions and our working orders. So first of all, let's test. Here you can see I already have a net P&L and quantities, etc. It's because I did some tests earlier with other accounts for other videos, so that's fine. But anyway, what I recommend is to click on this compact view mode, which will show you the 3 table views here in a single bunch, which is more convenient for you. So the next step is actually the simplest, is to go to the place where you can actually trade the account. Because I have a Phoenix account, I can just go on the website and trade from there. So I'll just place a trade up, and I'll see if it works correctly on the Thor dashboard. So as you can see, it is up on both the Positions tab and on the on the TFeed accounts tab. And well, basically that's about it. Next, all you have to do is basically do your trading session. What you can also use that would be useful is to go to open pop-up monitor right here, and this will open a tiny window that will allow you to check the current status of the positions, of the orders, etc., etc. So this is more practical, I would say, because you won't have to like switch constantly between tabs, which can be a bit annoying. So to do that, all you can do is to click on that. Let's say you want to trade on this, and from there you have your trading setup. I can see the status of the positions, and if I close the position, you have a bit of delay, but it's normal, and then the positions are closed. So same thing if I place an order, for example, up, you can see submitted a limit. Up, if I choose to order there, you can see that the orders are appearing like they should. Same things from there, they are always there. And that's about it. So that's it for connecting to dxFeed and trading on TFeed using that account. It's a bit confusing with the names. That's how I'm struggling. But anyway, I hope you appreciated this video, and I wish you a very good trading. Bye.